Hey everyone! So it was a very bad snowstorm here in Toronto, but let's go to work together. I was supposed to be at work at 6 a.m., but because of the storm, there was no Uber and no bus in early morning. So I thought of going to work at 8 a.m. So let's go. I'm with my sister walking in this city road as the snow was not cleared early morning. It was so cold. My hand and my face was freezing. And look at our condition. It feels so bad. So this is the area where we live. I'm not going to tell the exact location. Ha ha ha. Anyways, you have to go to work, right? Because no work, no money, no honey. This is me. Look at my face. I look so funny. And it was so cold. So cold. Oh my god, this was the most scariest thing in the morning. Like, it was all ice in the stairs, and if I would slip, then maybe my head would bang in the stairs. We also somehow managed. And look at the mountains of the snow. Let's walk and walk and walk. And let's climb the snow mountain. And let's go to find the subway. Finally, I'm here at the subway. And I took the subway. And I'm going to another station, that is Kipling Station. And I really didn't want to go to work. And I think this is the last station together with my sister. After that, she will go to her bus to work and I'll take my bus to the work. And I got my bus. And look. I had to walk maybe for 5 minutes after my last stop to the work. And the road here was even more bad than the road near my home. Oh, what happened to my camera? Hey. What happened? It's a posite. Bang, knock. Anyone there? Okay. Let's continue to walk again. I don't know why, but I feel so funny when I'm doing a voiceover right now. Look at the road. So this is the video for those students who are excited to come to Canada. Guys, be prepared, okay? Be prepared for the winter and for the snowstorm. So yeah, that's the place where I work. It's the hotel. So I work in a hotel. Finally, I am at my workplace. And I'll work here maybe for 8 hours today. And then again, I have to walk to this road, take the bus, take the subway, and then go home. So yes, finally I'm here. La 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 la. La 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 la. Okay, I reached to my workplace. So let's start 10 or 8 hours shift. Let's begin. So I took this video from my break. Like the guests, they were making the road to take their car. And look guys, look at the weather. It was around 4 p.m. and it was sunny. How can the weather finally switch from storm to the sun in few hours? I can't get it. But when you see the sun and when the roads are clear, it's so much fun. And then maybe after 1 hour, I raced home and I got to bed.